Facebook deleted photo recovery. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can recover deleted photos on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To basically recover deleted photos on Facebook, open up the Facebook application here. Then once you launch the Facebook app, tap your profile icon from the top left. Once you're here on this page, if you happen to delete something from a particular post, such as a whole post or something like that, you can go ahead and restore them very easily by just tapping on this little three dots button that you can find here. Then you'll find one option that says activity log, so tap on activity log here. Once you go to activity log, you can also simply go to recycle bin option, and once you go to recycle bin, you'll find anything that you've deleted, which you can simply choose to restore if you want. This way you can go ahead and then basically recover deleted photos on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.